how do we find key levels when we're trading in the stock market? I feel like the number one thing that people struggle with is trying to find the entry, trying to find the exit when they are trading stocks or options. I'm going to show you in this video how to find key levels so that it will make your trading a lot easier when you're basing your trades off of levels that you have already charted before the market even opened. So without further ado, let's jump into this video.
Nice.
Alrighty guys, I'm back. So I'm on TradingView charts. Right now we're on Amazon. So before anyone asks me which indicators that I am using, I'm gonna leave them all in the description below. Either each indicator, if I can somehow copy and paste it, or I'm gonna leave my Discord. You can just go on to, it's a free Discord. You just go onto the Discord, go to the indicators tab in the left corner, and I'll leave all the indicators there so you can find them right on TradingView. I don't want to go over each of them in this video in detail because that's going to just make this video too long. Alrighty, so we are on Amazon. The first thing that we do is we jump onto the daily chart for Amazon. And we find this indicator here. It's called Trend Lines Pro. So this one is going to give us our trend. I deselect labels and tables, so I just get my trend, and I see if there's any key resistance or support levels on the daily chart. I don't see any here, so I turn that off, or we can completely turn it off for now. We'll just hide it for now. Now, the next thing that I do is I find my support and resistance levels. The indicator that I use for this is support resistance dynamic, and it's by the same creator. So when we select this, let's go back. When we select this, it gives us support and resistance levels for Amazon or whatever stock we are trading. And when you change between the time frames, it'll show you the new support and resistance levels. So I like to chart them myself. So I'll chart that 105.35 area-ish. And then I start going down my time frame. So this was the daily chart. Actually, there was one level here. And then I'll go to my 4-hour chart. We have a key level there. Then I'll go to my 1-hour time frame. We got a couple here. And the lowest that I like to go to is my 30-minute time frame. And we'll chart some levels here. So now we pretty much got all the levels within this price range. And then we can turn that off. So this is some very important levels for Amazon going into the trading day. I'll try to find a stock that also has a support and resistance line or a trend line. Maybe we can see one here. Sure, okay. So we'll say there's this trend line here on the hourly time frame, and we can chart that as well, and then we turn that off. Now I like to trade on my 1-minute and my 5-minute time frames. So when we blow this up, what do we see? We see that Amazon kind of sold off in the open. There was this big red candle and it fell right into our support level. And from there, you could have found an amazing position and traded up to this next key level. And we can see that this has worked as a support level or as a resistance level. And then when it finally broke above it, it kind of worked as a support level. So these key levels are very important. We can see even the prior day that this level worked as a resistance level, and then these levels worked as a support level. Same thing with the day before. Amazon had this big sell-off and it found support around this key area. If you don't have key areas charted for the stocks that you are trading before the market even opens, you are trading blindly. You don't know where prices have found support before, where prices have found resistance before. You're just making them up as you're trading, and it is probably the reason why your trades are not as consistent. When I used to trade on a chart that looked like this. My chart would look like this. I would have a bunch of indicators, RSI, MACD, all of this, and I would lose all my trades because I was just jumping in anywhere. But when you have these key levels, you can make decisions at these levels and it will make your trades so much easier. Now, one more thing that I will add to this is this indicator here. It's called support and resistance, but it's more of a supply and demand zone indicator after speaking with the creator. So when we turn this on, I go to settings and I tweak it a little bit. I remove this table here. I go to inputs. I put 30 minutes. I take this down to about 2 and I leave this. And this gives us some supply and demand zones. As we can see, we have some levels here, some levels up here. We have another one over there. And I am weird in a way that I like to keep these the same color. So now when we jump to our 5-minute time frame, not only is this a trend line, a 1-hour trend line, like finding support around that area, not only is it also a support level, but it is also a demand zone. So you can expect to find strong strong chance of a reversal at this area. Now, the only other indicator that you must have is volume and VWAP if you want. If you know how to use VWAP as well, but volume is a must. You need to see that is some traders only trade with volume. Their charts are completely blank and they only use volume because volume is pure evidence. There was 69,000 shares of volume traded at this level. You can't argue with volume. So now what do you see? You see that now look up here. This is where you see volume. Look at the price that it shows. So we see huge selling pressure. And then what do we see? Read the volume. 83,000 shares of volume. And we're coming towards this support level. Next candle, 78,000 shares of volume coming towards the support level. Next candle, 56,000 shares of volume traded. What's happening? Volume is dropping. The red candles, selling pressure is dropping, which means buying power kicks in. It reaches the support level and there is 70,000 shares of volume of green. You expect this thing to push up, and that's what it does. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green candles, 5-minute candles. That's 30 minutes of straight buying pressure. Even actually all the way up into here, maybe 40 minutes of buying pressure. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna try to leave this video under 10 minutes. I hope you guys benefited something from this video. If you did, please leave a comment or please leave a like, comment below anything else that you would like to see. I will try my best to figure out if I can get all of these indicators in the description below. Thank you again for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Peter, are you listening?